Have you ever seen a super complex piece of metal, maybe in an engine or a museum, and just thought, how on earth did they make that? You know, the kind of part that looks like it was carved by magic out of a single solid block? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that magic trick.
Before we start the video, if this content helps you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support really motivates us.
Right. Think about the turbine blades inside a jet engine. They're spinning thousands of times a minute under incredible stress. They have to be absolutely perfect with zero weak points. So, how do you possibly make something that complicated, that strong, without any seams or welds holding it all together?
I mean, just look at this thing. It's an engineering marvel. You see all those twists and turns and hollowed-out channels? Your brain tells you it has to be a bunch of different pieces all welded together, but it's not. That is one single, solid piece of metal. So what's the secret?
You'd probably guess the answer involves some high-tech 21st century laser or a crazy advanced robot, right? Nope, not even close. The solution is actually an ancient technique, a brilliant hack that artisans have been using for thousands of years. It's a process called investment casting. You might know it by its more famous name, lost wax casting. And the core idea is, well, it's just so clever and simple. You make a temporary copy of what you want, you build a mold around it, you make that copy disappear, and then you fill the empty space with molten metal. That's it.
So let's actually break this down. We're going to walk through this incredible process together. Think of it as a 5-step journey to see exactly how these impossible shapes are brought to life.
And this pretty much says it all. We start with this lightweight, almost flimsy little pattern, and we end up with this incredibly strong, solid metal part. It really is like modern-day alchemy, and we're going to show you exactly how it works.
You ready? It all boils down to these 5 key steps that take you from a throwaway pattern to a metal masterpiece. You've got the pattern, the shell, a little disappearing act, a fiery transformation, and then the grand reveal.
All right, step 1. You need a perfect replica of the part you want to make. For thousands of years, this was made out of wax. You can kind of think of it like the mold for Jell-O. You need that shape first before you can make the final thing. This wax pattern is our starting point.
Okay, next up, you take that wax pattern and you dip it into this ceramic slurry. Just picture a thick, gritty goo. You dip it, let it dry, and then dip it again. Over and over. It's just like dipping a candle to build up layers of wax. You keep doing this until you've built a really hard, strong ceramic shell around your pattern.
Okay, wait a minute. So now you have a delicate wax shape stuck inside a super hard ceramic shell. How in the world do you get that wax out without shattering the mold you just spent all that time making?
And here is where the magic happens. You just heat the whole thing up. The wax inside melts and pours right out, leaving behind a perfect hollow cavity in the exact shape of your original pattern. This is the lost wax that gives the process its name. You're left with this perfect empty vessel, just waiting to be filled. Now for the really dramatic part. You take that hot, empty ceramic mold and you pour in glowing molten metal. This is the moment of creation, where that empty space that the wax used to occupy becomes a solid, permanent, super strong metal object.
So once the metal cools down and gets completely hard, it's time for the big reveal. You take that ceramic shell, which was so important just a few minutes ago, and you just break it all away. You literally crack it open like an eggshell, and hiding inside is your finished, perfect, seamless metal part. It's so satisfying.
I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work, right? All this dipping and melting and cracking shells. So why would anyone go through all this trouble? Well, the payoff is absolutely huge.
So let's put it in perspective. You've got other methods, like sand casting. And that's great for big, simple stuff, like a fire hydrant or a manhole cover, where the finish doesn't have to be perfect. But investment casting, it's on a totally different level. It's for when you need breathtaking detail and complexity.
Honestly, this process has some serious superpowers. You can create these ridiculously intricate shapes that are just impossible to make any other way. You get this beautiful, smooth surface that barely needs any cleanup. The precision is just mind-blowing. And the best part? You can do this with pretty much any metal you can think of, from basic steel all the way up to the high-strength titanium used in spaceships.
So we've got this incredible, ancient technique that's been around for millennia. But what happens when you combine that old-school wisdom
with cutting-edge 21st century tech. Well, that's when things get really interesting.
Let's just remember the core concept, the trick that's worked for 6,000 years. You start with a pattern that you can make disappear, leaving behind a perfect empty space to work with.
And here is the modern, game-changing twist. See, the slowest, most expensive part of this whole thing used to be making the metal tool you needed to create the wax patterns. But today, we just 3D print the patterns directly. This means you can go from a design on a computer to a finished metal part in days, not months. It's a total revolution for manufacturing.
And what does that mean in real-world terms? It means you can cut the cost of that initial tooling by, get this, up to 99%. By just getting rid of the need for old-school molds, you slash costs and development time. It's just incredible.
And this is where it all leads. We're talking about components for the Patriot missile system, for advanced aerospace tech. This 6,000-year-old idea, supercharged by 3D printing, is literally building the technology of the future.
It's just an amazing story of how ancient wisdom and modern tech can come together to create something that seems impossible. And it really makes you wonder, right? What other brilliant, timeless ideas are just hiding out there in plain sight, just waiting for their own 21st century twist?